Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with another edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Awesome, guys. Look at the quadruple C. I call it C4. Had a huge day yesterday. Okay, woke up this morning and I think it was already above yesterday's high. Or sorry, the 200-day moving average. It was above yesterday's high and it was above the 200-day moving average already in the pre-market. But have a look at this. Is my scan. I'm calling this the Wonder Scan now. So had the alert at 9:31 at 3:59. Okay, now for me it was a little early to take because I don't like taking trades so early. But I just want to briefly talk about all the ones that are showing up. The STTK 481, it did get up to about 540 before it did pull back. Okay, I wouldn't call that great. The PLAB, I think it went from about 25.75 to about 26.20. The Acadia went from 25 to about 28 and change. This one really didn't do much, the ABM. And the X, it's up about 20 or 30 cents. They're not all going to be rocket ships. What we had basically three rocket ships were right here, the 4C, the PLAB, and especially the Acadia. But the 4C, I didn't take it early, but this is where I did end up taking it for getting into it. I didn't take it early because I don't like taking trades in the first 15 minutes, and it ran up here. And then I was saying to everybody in the room, this is the area I'm interested in, that 411 area, just the high of the bodies of those two 15-minute candles. And it took a while. I mean, this took a while. Well, when you're intraday trading, it seemed to take forever. And then finally, it broke it, and look what it did before it pulled back at all the way up to 455, and then it pulled back a little bit. There was some resistance up here. At one point, there was a daily high up here, but of course, it has crashed through that. Unfortunately, I did not get back into this, and I have no idea where this is going. But that scan, guys, if you don't have it, and if you're not a subscriber, I can absolutely share it with you. And if you are a subscriber, come into the trading room and I will share it with you. Okay, guys, want to get back into the trading room? Have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.